The carrot is what really gives it the color. This helps sell it. Of course, the cheese does that as well, but the carrot does add that point. Whenever I describe it to people, I say the easiest thing to do is to hold it at a 45-degree angle, because if you hold it flat this way or you hold it too much this way, you're gonna fight it. But if you just go, you know, like that, you always have about the same amount of surface area across there. Now you got a good amount of carrot. I know it's a pretty big one. We're gonna put that in the pot as well. And then we need about a 1/4 cup of rice.
All right.
So I'll take this.
Right in here.
And then that entire box of stock.
Got it.
So that's the simplest way to approach it. Now it's just a matter of letting it cook, so I'll put it on the stove.
All right.
Get that fired up. Now you'll notice there's a lot of stock in there for that little bit amount of rice.
I was thinking that.
And the whole goal of this is to really overcook the rice, because when we puree it later, that puree base that we add cheese to, that's what gives it the beautiful look.
Got it.
So that'll probably be like 15 to 20 minutes.